Hi friends, welcome to Azure Data Factory series. In this video, we are going to discuss about schedule trigger. So schedule trigger is nothing but like wall clock schedule. So when you need to specify a reference time zone that will be used in trigger to start and end, the pipeline will be executed frequent, will be executed optionally, ended at the pipeline. So if you want to trigger pipeline hourly basis, so we can use for a schedule trigger, and we will see the examples. What are the examples? Here we can see the examples, right? Minutes of the hour which trigger runs. So in minutes we can schedule the time, and hours of the day which trigger runs. Weekdays, days of the week trigger runs. The value can be specified only with a weekly frequency. These are the uh, types. We have few types in schedule trigger. Let's create schedule trigger and check it. So go to the manage. Here also we can create either pipeline level, also we can create the trigger here. So trigger now in the sense manual trigger, on demand it will create a trigger. So this is one new or edit. Choose the trigger. Okay, let's create under manage. For now, manage, under manage triggers. So create a trigger. So our trigger name is schedule trigger. Type is here, we are going to select schedule trigger. So start date is fine. Now it will select now what are the current time we have under time zone. If, as I said, right, time zones, we have multiple time zones: specific, PST, mountain time, central UST. These are the multiple time zones we have. Let's go with um, EST, Canada time zone. So as we see that, like minutes, hours, and days, these are the threes we have. And let's select for hour. So every 15 minutes and every 15 hours, it will kick. Right? If you will select as one, every 1 hour it will kick off recurrence. You will see select the recurrence type. Every 1 hour it will kick off. If you will select minute, every 10 minutes it will kick off. And if you will select days, it will show the specific dates here. See hours and minutes, and specify the end date. Also we can specify end date. Based upon this we can create. For now, go for days, 1 day per day, one schedule. 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's 1 hour use 30 minutes. Execute at this times every 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 day. Okay. Let's click OK. This is the trigger for schedule trigger. We have created the trigger. Now let's go for pipeline. Add trigger. How to attach the trigger? Choose trigger. We have created trigger schedule and click OK. Save. Make sure publish trigger, clicking the save. So we will see here, it is now stopped state. We want to start, we can start it. Started, and we need to publish it. If we are using source control, we need to publish. Either way, if we are not using also, it will ask whenever new changes occur, we need to publish the changes. So trigger schedule is done. So this is the way we will create a triggers, and we will attach it to the pipeline. So we can see here related one. See, same schedule we can apply for multiple pipelines. Okay, here it will show the related one. We can see the JSON code here. This is the pipeline name. Type trigger day 1 Eastern time zone, 1 hour 30 minutes schedule. Okay, this is about schedule trigger. So coming sessions we discuss with the next trigger. This is about today. Thank you so much. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel to get new notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.